Hey everybody, want to do a quick clip showing you what it's like when hitting the turbo mode on the Garmin Force. It might have been kind of difficult to hear there, but when you do hit the turbo mode button, when you're using it as a setting on the graph on your 102 or 93 SV, whatever you have, it's a pretty significant boost. It goes from whatever setting you had it on originally, and then it just goes full power, trying to get you to the destination that you put on the graph. What's interesting about this is you can set it to go into anchor mode or spot lock for the Ultrex users. So as soon as it arrives at the destination you put on the graph, it'll automatically lock onto that position and stay there. I've got a full review coming, but I wanted to get that out and show you guys what it looked like real quick. Hey, I appreciate the support, and thanks for tuning in.